Just a simple video on basic maintenance of your TV box, or actually any Android phone, whatever. We're just gonna go up to my settings or my apps. I'm gonna go to my settings. Where are you? Too much stuff on here. Okay, settings. And then over here we got network. We're gonna go all the way down to storage and reset. Internal storage. And then if you scroll down, it's still calculating. See here, cache data. I'm up to 1.1 gig. So I definitely need to be cleaned out. I get available of only 5.7. This is a 16 gig box, so we're pretty full. So here, click cache data and hit OK. And then with 1.1, it's definitely going to take a few minutes to delete all that stuff. Miscellaneous. Oh, there we go. Miscellaneous data. Some boxes will allow you to change this, some won't. I'm just going to leave it. So I'm going to go back out. Now I'm going to go to my apps. And then if I go down, let's say here's my Area 51. I click on that. Storage used 78.6. So I'm going to hit here or clear cache. It's already cleared because I just done it on the main one. But check these things. And then let's say keep going down. Do this to any app. Let's say even Jetbox. Okay, clear. So we already cleared it all. So that was just a one-step way of clearing everything. If you just need to do certain apps, so you don't lose your favorites, because sometimes you lose favorites and stuff like that by doing it. If you just want to do certain apps, let's just say one box, and you just go in and clear cache. If you want to start right from fresh again, clear data. If you're going to clear data on some apps, let's say Kodi, you're going to lose all your add-ons and stuff. But any other app, if you clear data, then what's going to happen is just erases everything that it downloaded. So when you reopen, it's just going to re-download and start fresh again. These are just some basic maintenance tools for just to keep things running smoothly. So let's say Showbox, we click on that. We cleared the cache on the main settings and storage, but here clear data. And what's going to happen is when you go back out to, let's say Showbox, all it's going to do is just re-download all the data. See, downloading data, and it just starts fresh. What people's not doing is let's say clearing your cache or clearing your datas and stuff, and it just keeps building up. The box gets slower and slower. Then you message me or message whoever and say the box not working, it's not doing this right. It's just that, and unplug it. Plug it for, if you're not using it, unplug it and just leave it set, cool down, it resets itself, and away you go again. Anyway, yeah, so let's say even BTV. Oh, there's an update, so I'll take the update later. Let's say Beast TV. But you just noticed by clearing cache, it just seems to run a little faster. Things just work a little better, that's all. But you see how... Alright, I think that's all I really needed to say about it. Just some basic maintenance. And I'm running IPVanish up there for my VPN. I think that's it.